Next one with ace queen, call. 4-bet 13 BB, 4-bet jam or fold. We have to defend quite tight, so basically we don't get to flat profitably with ace 10 suited, with queen jack suited, with eights and stuff. So given that we don't get to flat those profitably, we just prefer to play this very tight strategy in a much more aggressive way, right? So we're going to defend tight but aggressively. So we're just going to go with a lot of jamming and a little bit of four betting, but no flats. And then with that, our ace 10 suited is actually a fold here, which is kind of surprising, right? It is quite a strong hand to be folding, but and then because everyone's has similar stacks, so this was the tightest range. I think this is probably where population is gonna make the more mistakes here when we have everyone's mid stack. But yeah, just again, there's a 23 BB stack here, the 32. We're close to the 40 BB stack, so busting now is still quite bad, right? And so yeah, we just have to defend quite tight, but then quite aggressively. So ace 10 suited would be pure fold, or actually four bet folding, 4-bet bluffing 10% of the time. Pocket tens can still jam 100% of the time, just a pure jam. And then ace queen off mixes folds and 4-bet bluffs.